Hi everyone, I'm Hassan in period 5 biology. I will talk about fermentation of cheese. This experiment aims to investigate how different pH levels of white vinegar affect the rate of fermentation in milk to form cottage cheese. The mass of cottage cheese formed during the fermentation time was measuring at different vinegar pH 2.5, 4, and 5. At the time of fermentation, the volume of milk samples and the volume of vinegar used were the same and kept at room temperature as controlled variable. 500 milliliter of milk was poured into a pot and then heated to 88 Celsius. And this picture is the materials of this experiment. Okay, so the initial pH of the milk was recorded 39 milliliter of vinegar pH 2, as I marked here, was added and stirred, and the pot was covered and let it rest for 150 minutes. Solids were transferred from the pot to colander, allowing it to drain and filter. Squeeze and remove excess of water, and wait and record the mass. The same steps were repeated by using vinegar of pH 4, like this, remove and this with pH 5, and the mass of formed cheese was recorded. Results showed that fermentation of milk forming cheese and a higher rate of pH 2.5 more acidic than higher pH 4 and 5, which was observed from the mass of a cheese forming. In conclusion, the experiment showed that the lowering pH level of the white vinegar increased the fermentation rate, resulting in a higher mass of cottage cheese formed, while raising the pH level of white vinegar results in a decreased fermentation rate, reducing the mass of cottage cheese formed. Okay, so that's all everyone. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day.